When running a blog or newsletter, we want to use the best tools available, but sometimes they cost a small fortune. But don't worry, today I bring you 7 tools that are great to use and are completely free. Let's go! Starting with one of my favorites, Short.io, or as I prefer to say, ShortU. This link service is like Bitly on steroids. It's easy to use as you only need to paste your links and ShortU takes care of the rest. Now you can copy your link that's ready to use. You can also change the slug for more customization, add tags for better organization, and UTM tags for tracking campaigns. This is useful for creating prettier affiliate links. Another advantage is that you can paste your links all over social media, newsletters, websites, YouTube, and keep managing everything from a simple dashboard. Suppose you share a link on your blog about an Amazon product that is out of stock. With Short, you don't need to log into your site, find the article, find the link and replace it. Instead, go to ShortU and use the Command F or Control F to quickly find the link, replace with a new product and boom. ShortU will now redirect everywhere to the new product. ShortU's free plan is sick. It allows 5 custom domains, 1000 short links, and it can track 50,000 clicks. You don't have to pay anything to use this service, but I recommend you buy a custom domain for $5 per year for increased credibility. And the best part of buying the link directly on ShortU is that they configure everything for you for free. I love to use this tool to track how many clicks my content gets. And to make your writing sharper and earn more clicks, check the next tool. Wordtune is like a writing assistant to improve your text. It can paraphrase it to make it casual or formal, as well as shorten the text or expand it. I like to use it when sentences aren't quite right. This way I save time because it gives me a good sentence or new ideas to reformulate it. Wordtune can make your writing more engaging and fluid with a click of a button. It works with Google Docs, Microsoft Office and Slack, but they also have a browser extension that makes Wordtune available on a lot of sites. Another cool thing of Wordtune is that you can write in other languages and it will translate it to English. You get 10 daily rewrites with a free plan and that's a lot. For context, my day job involves writing all day and I use Wordtune around 3 times per day. If you need more than that, their prices are reasonable. So go make your writing clearer, avoid repetition, and enjoy word tuning. The following is a free alternative to Google Analytics that respects privacy. I'm talking about Microanalytics. This tool is part of the new wave of analytics services that don't use cookies, like Fathom or Plausible. But Microanalytics is the only one you can use for free without coding knowledge. To set it up, you only need to copy the script and paste it on your site. Now you can avoid the hot mess that is Google Analytics 4. You can thank me for that by dropping a like in the video. Microanalytics script is only 1 kilobyte and that's 50 times smaller than Google Analytics. This means you will get a slight improvement on page speed. And you can get some improvements on SEO because of it. Microanalytics dashboard is clean and has essential things like page views, referrals, and most visited pages. But the downside is the lack of time on page metric. Overall, Microanalytics has fewer features and reports than Google Analytics, but let's be honest, you don't use 95% of those anyways. So if you prefer a tool that respects privacy, don't slow down your site, consider Microanalytics. This next tool helped me a lot at the start of my marketing career. I'm talking about small SEO tools. This website have lots of tools that an SEO might need and all for free. Some examples include Keyword Rank Checker, Keyword Suggestions, Backlink Checker, Plagiarism Checker, and Paraphrasing, useful if you run out of Wordtune credits. If you have a low budget, now you know where to look first. But if you want better backlink data for free, keep watching the video. Ahrefs is a respected name in the SEO industry and one of the best for keyword research. Their main tool price starts at an eye-watering $99 per month, but don't be scared because Ahrefs Webmaster Tools is 100% free. AWT is great for auditing the website, finding broken links, crawling issues, and unwanted redirects. They also check Google to know what keywords your site ranks for and in what position. But for me, the best part of AWT is the backlink data. I use this all the time to know how many backlinks my site has. And what's remarkable is that Ahrefs will show you links that aren't visible on Google Search Console. For a tool that's completely free, this is fantastic. Next on the list is a tool I stumbled upon a few months ago. It's the Fast YouTube Embedder. It's really simple and it makes pages with YouTube videos load faster, much faster. When you put a YouTube video on an article, it makes the page heavier and slower. but it doesn't have to be this way. One of the largest page on my blog has 4 videos, and changing from the default embedder to the fast YouTube embedder makes the page load 3 seconds faster on desktop and 8 seconds faster on mobile data. That's a massive difference for visitors. You can also use the fast YouTube embedder to make all the pages with videos load faster. All it takes is clicking some buttons and it's free. Images also have a significant impact on website speed. That's why the solution is compressing the images. But how do you do it? I'm glad you asked. All you need is Optimizilla. This tool reduces the file size by 70% without lowering the quality. I've been using Optimizilla for more than a year and I love it. Another advantage of using Optimizilla is that you don't need to use an optimization plugin because you optimize the images before uploading. So that's one less plugin that can cause security problems or slow down your site. It's a great tool that works as a charm and is completely free. Comment below what is your favorite free blogging tool and watch this video next about one of my favorites.